What's going on, guys? It's good to be back in the game with 2019 Diamond Kings Baseball. Finally decided to give in. Got a little bit jealous of everybody doing some of this, so I thought, all right, I'm just going to do one box and one box only. See what we can pull. Got this from Primetime Sports Cards, a hobby shop in Frederick. Guy Bruce, owner's a nice guy. Had it for $85. I got it for $75. So, yes, I know I could have got a couple dollars cheaper online, but I felt like supporting the local. And plus, you can have it right here, right now when you want it. So, went ahead and picked it up. And like I said, it's probably going to be my only box of this. 8 cards, 12 packs. So, let's see what we can get here. Also, stay tuned. End of the video, I'm going to be stuffing our 150 sub giveaway box. Again, to enter, just make sure you comment, hit the bell on every video. That'll get you an entry. It was really kind of sticky, the inside of this pack here. Alright, here we go. First pack. Now, I'm not going to know anything about, that's kind of a really nice card, about the parallels or what the short prints are. I'm pretty much just going to recognize kind of the hits. So feel free to chime in. Uh-oh, upside down card. Could this be the first hit? Not a Mike Trout hit. There's a Mike Trout card on back. Okay. Maybe this is, looks like it's not a hit. Maybe this is some kind of parallel, or... It's always weird when the card's upside down and it's not a hit. That's interesting. Okay. Okay, cool. Anyway, there's a nice Mike Trout. 27. Maybe that's an insert card. Satchel Paige. Brandon Lowe, okay. I do like the old timers in this. If you guys remember, there was an old NES game. I need to just unbury my NES one of these days. Love those games. Bases loaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But there was a game called, I want to say Legends of the Diamond, which kind of reminded me of these cards, where you could basically be all your favorites, all the old timers. Ruth was in there, Garrett Cobb, Honus, Bob Gibson, throwing 99 miles an hour in the game. Ted Williams, I believe, was in there. And there's no team names. You're just kind of playing just random teams, but it's just a lot of fun. This kind of reminds me of that, seeing these old timers. Jose Altuve, upside down card, because okay, it's a purple frame. All right, that's cool. It definitely looks like an insert. I'm not sure if I should be more excited for this or not. That's kind of the curse of being back in the game. That's cool, though. Check that one out. It says, what, an average of 2 autos or memorabilia on average. Heirs to the Throne, Vlad Jr. These are cool cards that I've seen you guys do. That's why I knew to flip it over. And there's Pop on back. That's a sweet card. I really like the Bryce Harper Soto card. I saw some of you guys pull. Benintendi, Alkaline. If any of you guys don't know out there, Alkaline still sends by mail, still signs by mail, rather. I'm sure you can easily look up that info, but that's really cool. I think for like $10 or something. That's any Tigers fans or Hall of Fame fans or anything like that. See Chris Davis on back. So it's a spacer. No, spacer, but there's a card. Okay, hang on here. Spacer, but I saw, here we go. There's a card in there. That's just a spacer. Looks like it's another insert. Chris Davis. All right. This pack feels especially thick, and we just had the spacer in the pack before, so we could be talking about a relic this pack. Yep, looks like one, unless that's another spacer. We got something in here. Is that back-to-back Freddie Freemans? Interesting. And back-to-back Joe Woods. I guess we have a small, yeah, let's just get the hit. Phil's going to shut up and get the hit. Kevin Newman. Oh, very nice. Auto dual relic. Okay. This is like the first one I've pulled of one of these. Kevin Newman. Nice auto. I don't think it's numbered or anything. Is it numbered? No. I unfortunately don't know anything about him. If he's a Pirates, he's on the roster. Is he a prospect coming up? Is he good? Is it just going to stay in the $2 bin in a couple months? I mean, I don't know anything about this, but definitely a sweet card. Black with the yellow. It's really nice. All right, great. There we go. A couple cards left in that pack. All right. Put that in my Altuve. Actually, ironically, didn't we just pass him again? Here we go. I can learn more. I can answer my question. The same pack. A solid hitter in his first 2 full seasons in the minors. Move swinging. AAA. All right. Born in 93. So he's about 25, 26. All right, so we got one more quote-unquote hit left, supposedly. Crowning moments. It's Vlad. Is it a... It's so excited. You see a name you know, and the card's upside down. Is it going to be auto? Is it going to be auto? All right, this has got to be some sort of parallel. Okay, that's cool. Mookie Betts portrait. Ramirez. Another purple. Jose Ramirez. It's nice. Purple frame. Gallery of Stars. Mike Trout. It's probably a good one. See my mantle in the background is hanging out. It's kind of funny. If you watched the last video. Let's go big auto. Or another dual auto, maybe. So look at the patch coming up possibly. Oh, it got me. Okay. It got me. Blake Snell upside down. Another frame card, possibly? No. Must be a parallel that I just don't recognize of why they have that kind of emphasized upside down. I'll have to dig through and check those out. I'm just kind of stacking them all together. Juan Soto, Gallery Stars. Nice. Brooks Robinson. I have a great, kind of ironic Brooks Robinson story. I think it almost deserves its own video. See a Ricky on back. That'd be sweet. That was like a Ricky auto. Another Miguel Cabrera. Another Vlad. I guess you're going to see a lot of... that's a nice card. Clemens. I guess you're going to see a lot of repeats in this, right? Because it's the base hit's not that large. So, makes sense to get a lot of duplicates. Nice and easy for set builders. Another Soto. Ichiro. Mike Trout, auto baby, one time. No. Purple frame. Got excited. Still got to be a good card, though. I pulled up a couple nice Trouts from here. Babe Ruth, like that one just as much. Now, see, tell me, is this Babe Ruth, besides being a great looking card, does it have any value? I love the picture, though. It's awesome. Because when I pulled the Babe Ruth in the Gypsy Queen, just kind of thinking like it's one of those, okay, they put Gehrig, they put Williams, they put like an old time like hero in there, okay, cool. But little did I know, you guys point out like, oh, it's a short print. It actually sells for like $6-7 or something on eBay. I was like, well, would have never thought that. Same usual. But these are they're so plentiful in this, that can't be unless it's some kind of numbered or something. So these, all right, guys, we got just 2 packs left, all right. This one here feels a little heavy, so let's knock this one out now. This could be our patch. Yeah, this one's like really, really stacked. Peek inside. There it is. I'm glad they do those spacers, because you only put 8 cards in a pack is really easy to probably pack search, and I'm nowhere near an expert in ripping, and I can already tell a clear difference. Tony Gwynn. Roger Clemens. Oh, it is a spacer. I got again. It's a nice Clemens. Yeah, it's a spacer. That's funny. Okay. Chipper. Alright, guys, last pack. Is this a hot pack, or am I just going one? Am I just doing one? I thought it mentioned 2 autographs or memorabilia on average. And I guess I did get a memorabilia / autograph with the Kevin Newman. This doesn't feel that thick, so we're either doing an auto in here or bust. Auto or bust. Auto or bust. Alright, yep, there's no patch in there. Let's see if we have auto. Is that back-to-back Fletchers? Okay. Oh, artist proof. Okay, that's kind of neat. Back-to-back artist proof. Okay. Jose Ramirez, Goldschmidt. And that's all she wrote, guys. Alright, so it looks like just one hit. It is a pretty one. Just to recap. Sliding the camera everywhere. It is a pretty one. Dual patch signature. That's nice. Did get several of the purple frames, which I don't know. I guess I got 3 of them. Tuve, Trout, Ramirez. I saw the artist proof in there. I'm not sure if I skipped over like a rare short print or not. I'll have to go look some of these cards up. Jose Ramirez. No, they're not numbered, right? No. Alright, well, let's do this. Let me pull out my box, and everyone loves them some Altuve, right? So, as you remember, 150 subs. I'm sending this small priority box out. And right now we have a couple of packs. You watch a previous video, you'll learn the story behind that. Got a Yelich rookie. We have a 18 insert Mike Trout International Affair. And now we have a Jose Altuve Diamond Kings purple frame. I'm going to sleeve this up and put it in. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys real soon.